Here this is a model. For this model we have to create a section view of this model. To create the section view, there is a facility that is available in AutoCAD. It is under the section. This is the section plane. Before creating the section view, we have to take some section plane. Click here, click here. Now it is asking select face or any point to locate section line. I said I have to create a section line from here to this point, like this. Now the section place has been created. Now under this flyout there is a section live section. Now click here. Now it is asking the select section object. This is the section object we have already created. Now click here, section object, and then we can see the section has been created. This is the section. Now if you want to add some jog also, add jog. Now select the section object, and specify a point on the section line to add jog, like this. Now this is the jogged section view. This is the role of sectioning.